What happens when you microwave a CD?
For 6 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool. It's melting.
It's melting.
Nothing like the smell of cancer in the morning. Oh man, it smells bad in here again. And it's burning. Oh wow, that smells really bad. Yeah, get the zoom in on that.
Oh yeah.
That is beautiful.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, it smells really bad.
Yeah, it does.
I don't think it's doing any more than that.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun.
Wait.
Oh,
There she goes,
Fire.
lighting on fire.
That is on fire.
That is definitely on fire.
Yeah. Are we gonna do anything about that, or are we just gonna roll with that?
By do anything, you mean let it burn. Yeah.
We ran out of camera room, but we're back. And there you go.